Bonjour, je m'appelle SethXX. Today I'll be doing my daily Rubik's Cube solve. So as usual, I close my eyes while scrambling the cube. And this is my first solve of the day. I always do my first solve of the day on camera, just so I know where I'm at. Okay, so I'm going to open my eyes, and this is a scramble that I got. I've been told to take my time with inspection, so even if I take a minute or 2 minutes with inspection, then I'll take the full minute or 2 minutes. But I'm going to fast forward my inspection now. Okay, 3, 2, 1. That was very sloppy. That was very sloppy, because look how fast I can normally do it. See what happens when I'm not under a time crunch? Like, I got nervous because I'm recording.